Hello, good morning students. How are you? So this is your notes of geography. The chapter it is your denudation. So what is denudation? It is the wearing away of land masses by various processes like weathering, erosion, mass movement and transportation. You can draw the figure of work of the rivers here because there are many factors affecting work of a river like velocity of water, volume of water, and the last one it is your load also. It can affect work of a river. So velocity of river, how to affect work of a river? It erosion and transportation are both maximum when velocity is high, and volume, the larger the volume of water, the greater is the power of erosion and transportation. And the last one, load, it is the material transported by a river. The load of a river does all the work of erosion and deposition. So mass wasting and deepening of river valleys and formation of landforms depend on the load of a river carries. So now what are the courses of rivers? So the place of before courses of learn to courses of river, you just have to know what is source and what is mouth of the river. So the place of origin of a river, it is called source, and the when river enters that the sea or disappeared place, that is known as mouth. And tributaries and distributaries, so tributaries, the streams are streams or small rivers which join the main rivers are called distributaries. And where a river divided into channels or smaller rivers, they are called distributaries. Like Ganga and Brahmaputra, when they are going their mouth meet to Bay of Bengal, they formed a big delta, that is your Sundarban delta, that is your distributaries. It divided into many parts. So and a path along which the river flows is known as course of river. And course of river divided into three parts: upper course, middle course and lower course. Thus the first one, it is your upper course river. It is a young stage of river and known as upper course, and here river comes from hilly area and flows swiftly and flow in a very high range. So it forms here valley, V shape of valley, I shape of valley. Here it is a mountain. When it forms like this, it is a V shape of valley here. And when mountains like this here, it is formed I shape of valley. And the next one, it is your waterfall. So you can draw the figure from your book, the 10.3 and 10.4. So what is middle course? The stage, this stage is known as maturity stage. Here the gradient is reduced and the river flows slowly. It leaves mountain and enters in the plain area. So the lateral cutting is more active and then along cutting, and the volume of water in the river increases due to many distributaries joining it. Landforms of the middle course are meander. यहाँ पे here the rivers formed meander. The shape of meander is like in S shape, and when the curvature of meander loops the curvature of meander loops are made more circular, then curvatures become more sharp and the river breaks through the meander to form an oxbow lake like Ganga and Mississippi. The last one, it is your lower course. Lower course, it is a third stage and known as old stage of river. Here the load transporting capacity is drastically reduced due to sluggish flow as well as division of river into many distributaries, and it forms delta. Now, work of wind. The movement of air over the earth surface is known as wind. It is almost horizontal, although there are small vertical component. Then what are the actions of wind? So there are two action of wind. The first one, it is your deflation hollow. It is the lowering of the land surface of create depressions called deflation hollows. And the next one, it is your sand dunes. Sand dunes are called hills of sand. Dunes are found in desert where the sand is being continuously moved, reshaped and redeposited. There are two types of dunes are seen in the tropical desert. The first one, it is your Barchans, and the second one, it is your longitudinal dunes or sheep. So what is Barchan? Barchan, it is a moon shaped dunes like this type of Barchans, and it flows from a particular direction found in Sahara, formed by an accumulation of sand at an obstacle and such as a heap of rocks, and they occurs transversely to the wind so that their horns thin out and become lower in the direction of the wind. And the last form, that is longitudinal dunes. So it is long narrow sand ridge which grow parallel to the direction of the prevailing wind, and they are found in the interior part of desert, and in the Libyan desert it is known as safe. So the important features of such as dunes is that in its crest line there are rise and fall patterns found in Sahara, Iran, Thar and West Australia. Now draw the figure from the related chapter and learn all the question and answers from this chapter. Thank you so much.